How to make Discord member count bot. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to open your Discord app and then you just have to click on the server you want to add the count bot. And after that, on the upper section of the server, you just right click on it and click on the app directory from here, and you just have to search for server stats and click on enter. And as you can see, this is the bot we were talking about, and you just have to click on add app, and you just have to select which server you want to install the app and click on continue. And you just need to grant all the app permissions and then click on authorize, and after that it will be successfully added to your server. Go to your server and to press slash and then setup, and on the channel section you just have to click on the voice channel that's recommended, and then you just have to click on the default counters from here and click on enter, and it will start counting the members. The setup has been started and will take a couple of seconds to finish. So as you can see, there's another category created, that's server status, and you can see all the members from here, like all members are 2 and members 1 and bots 1. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.